Hey, what's going on? It's Matt here. Just want to start off by saying if you're enjoying these day trading and technical analysis videos, go ahead and subscribe to this channel and like the video, as well as say what's up to me in the Discord, which is linked below. So, first off, some crazy stuff going on with Bitcoin right now. We see it's floating around the 13K mark, which it's breaking a little bit. And so I went ahead and drew up just a couple of lines of support here on a large overview graph, just so we can see what's kind of going on. So in the last month or so, we've seen some crazy things with Bitcoin, but it seems to be bouncing off of this 12.8 support, which it did here a couple minutes ago as well. So this has proven to be a solid support over the past month, with it bouncing probably 6 or 7 times. If it breaks this 12.9 support, we could see it touch 12.6. And then if it breaks 12.6, we could see it going down to 11.2. So that's the immediate threat to what Bitcoin is doing right now. If it bounces off any of these supports, we can see it probably consolidate around the 14 number again. And I mean, these big swings are what we anticipate when we're holding Bitcoin. So the volatility is our friend if we play it correctly. So right here we see that it broke this double top at 14.2. So it hit the double top and tanked after a failed retracement. And then when we broke 13.1, we could see it go down to 12.9, and that's exactly how it played out. We do see a little more volume coming in right now. Some big sell candles still though, but we're very oversold right now. So I don't expect us to be hitting this 11.2 number anytime soon. I would imagine that we would be seeing some sort of rebound here in the coming moments, just because of how oversold we are. So we'll see it go back up into the 70 range, hopefully sooner than later, and get back up into the support range that we love around 14, and then from there move on up into the 15, 16 range and hopefully continue this bullish trend. But right now we're definitely in a bear trend, and bear meaning bad, bull meaning good, which is confirmed by the selling and the big candles. But I do want to reiterate that we do have a couple of different lines to support here in order to bounce off of to keep the price where we want it, but also to know when to sell it and when to buy it. So, I mean, if it breaks this 12.6 number, it's probably a good idea to put like a stop loss around this 12.6 number, so that if it breaks, you can rebuy around 11.2. That's what I'm planning on doing if it breaks that number. Until then, I'll probably just hold through these little sells, but I'll have a tight stop on this and then be watching it for another re-entry. So that's the Bitcoin analysis for the day. Other news, NEO has broken out into all-time highs. It has been going absolutely nuts. I mean, even since, I guess, Saturday, 1/13, which was my birthday, it's gone up about 100% since then. So that's pretty incredible. Congratulations to all the NEO holders out there. I think NEO is just going to keep on keeping on. It seems to be a really solid coin that really just it hasn't found a top yet. So my finance is laggy always, but it hasn't found a top, and a lot of people love it. So I think it's a long-term hold if you're into that. If not, good luck trying to play the swings. I mean, if you're trying to play the swings, you're most likely going to miss a run-up this big. So for some coins, it is smarter to not day trade and to just hold. I think NEO is one of those. On the flip side, I think Bitcoin is capable of trading right now if you're trying to do that. So that is your daily crypto talk. I'd love to hear in the comments what coins you're holding and what coins you're trading. But yeah, also let me know in the Discord. I'm trying to be on there a lot and want to keep seeing this channel grow into what it could potentially be, which is a great spot for everyone to come and learn crypto. So join me in my 1K to 100K challenge, and subscribe and like this video. Peace.